With over 3 decades of expertise, D-Link is a global leader in the design and development of network and connectivity products for consumers, small businesses, medium and large enterprises, and service providers. In a world of rapidly advancing technology, the need for security is the need of the hour, be it to scare off burglars and intruders or safety of your children. Securing offices, banks, retail outlets, and other areas of importance. And that is why D-Link is proud to showcase its range of CCTV security cameras. Surveillance cameras come in most common form factors like dome and bullet camera. Dome cameras are compact and have a wide field of view that allows them to survey a large contained area. So they are suitable for indoor locations like offices, banks, shops, etc. Whereas bullet camera has a long IR range, which makes them excellent for keeping an eye on large open spaces like parking lots, backyards, and other outdoor locations. CCTV cameras also come in different technologies: analog and IP cameras. Analog cameras are cost-effective cameras which are suitable for a small area like shops, homes, etc. because each camera is individually connected with power, and then each camera is also connected to the DVR. Whereas IP cameras are little expensive than the analog camera but are suitable for bigger areas like offices, parking lot, etc. because here cameras are connected to a switch, and then all of those cameras on the switch are connected to the NVR with an Ethernet cable. D-Link offers a wide range of camera solutions in analog and IP cameras. Let's begin with D-Link analog high-definition dome and bullet cameras. They come in 1, 2 and 5 megapixel fixed lens camera models with 1/4 inches, 1/2.9 inches and 1/2.5 inches CMOS sensor options. It comes up with 18 pieces SMD LED, which gives up to 30 meters of clear night vision range with smart IR technology, so that you can see the clear picture even when an object is close to the camera. 3.6 mm and 6 mm lens variants are available in both dome and bullet analog camera. They are available in metal and plastic housing, and they support AHD, TVI, CVI, CVBS, so that you can use D-Link cameras with your existing setup. D-Link analog high-definition varifocal lens cameras. It comes in dome as well as in bullet with SMD LEDs, which gives a clear night vision range up to 50 meters. It comes with 2.8 to 12 mm manual zoom lens, so that you can zoom in to get a visibly clearer image. Available in metal housing for both the models to withstand all weather conditions. It supports AHD, TVI, CVI, CVBS, so that you can use it with your existing setup. For the first time in the surveillance industry, D-Link analog camera comes with a 5 years product warranty. To record analog high-definition CCTV cameras data, D-Link provides a wide range of DVR, digital video recorder. D-Link offers 3 different types of DVR, namely 1080p, 1080p Lite, and 5MP DVR. 1080p Lite DVR supports 1MP and 2 megapixel CCTV cameras, whereas 1080p DVR supports 1, 2, 5 megapixel CCTV cameras. And 5MP DVR supports 1, 2, 5 and 8 megapixel CCTV cameras. D-Link DVR supports 4, 8, 16 or 32 channel outputs depending on the deployment needs, with the support up to 2 SATA ports. D-Link DVR supports up to 8 MP resolution with H.265 Plus codec technology, which optimizes the quality of the video, reduces bandwidth and saves storage space up to 70%. What's more, you can also connect your DVR with your latest TV supporting 4K display resolution. Get your DVR connected to your home network wirelessly using the D-Link wireless adapters. Backup your recorded data using FTP or pen drive or USB SATA drive. Viewing playback is more easy with multiple smart options to view recordings. You can also connect it with D-Link Smart CCTV app and monitor from anywhere. For the first time in surveillance industry, D-Link DVR comes with a 5 years product warranty. Keep a check from anywhere, anytime. It's time to get smart with D-Link Security Solutions. For more information, you can reach out to us on 1860-233-999 or you can also call us on 0832-285-6000. You can also partner with us by going to our website cctv.dlink.co.in under the section Partner with Us or Contact Us. For product and marketing related query, you can follow us on LinkedIn, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can also download our D-Link Showcase app, which has all product and marketing related information. D-Link Express Service. D-Link has introduced Express Service designed exclusively for D-Link CCTV partners, resellers, system integrators. This support program ensures quick resolution in case any defective product is reported, with support being provided right at partner doorstep. Further partners can also avail technical assistance, warranty support and much more. D-Link Smart Video Surveillance Software app for Windows desktop application, which supports up to 128 channel live view, 9 channels remote playback and multi-screen display options. D-Link takes pride in securing the nation. So let's secure smartly using D-Link Security Solution. तुझ पे नजर है.